We are continuing with the equations of a straight line. Here the question is, find the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this line. Alright. So we have a line of which we have to find the equation, and this line is perpendicular to x by a minus y by b equal to 1. This is our given line. At the point where given line meets y-axis. So here the given line meets this required line at y-axis, right? So what will be the coordinates of this point? 0 and y, right? So we can calculate this point, because if the given line meets this required line at y-axis, it means that it will pass through this point. So we will substitute the values of this here. So x is 0. So 0 upon a minus y upon b equals 1. So minus y upon b equals 1. So minus y equals b, or b is equal, minus b is equal to y. So let's name this point as q, and the coordinates of this point q are 0 and minus b, right? And now we need the slope, because we want to find the equation of this line. Point we have found, right? Now we need the slope. So if we find the slope of this given line, then the product of the slopes of these two lines will be minus 1. We will be able to find the slope of the required line. Let that be m1, and let the slope of the given line be m2. So let's find that. We have x by a minus y by b equal to 1. Let's shift this to this side. We'll get x upon a is equal to, okay, this also this side, minus 1 is equal to y upon b, right? So if we cross multiply, we will get b by a x minus b equal to y, or in other words, y is equal to b by a x minus b. So the coefficient of x will become the slope of this given line, so which we have kept as m2. So m2 is equal to b by a. But we know that m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, because these two lines are perpendicular. Now you can find m1 from here, equal to minus 1. So your m1 will be minus a by b. So you have found the slope of the required line, which is minus a by b, and you also have the point through which your required line passes. So let this be x1 and this be y1. Therefore, you can calculate, or you can find the equation of a required line is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus y1 is, this will become plus b. M is your minus a upon b into x minus x1 is your 0. So cross multiply, by plus b square is equal to minus ax. Shift this x term here, because we always have this x term as 0. Sorry, plus. So x ax plus by plus b square equal to 0 is the equation of your required line.